Swezey, we have the president and CEO of Data Management International. A 30-year-old document management company, it's the provider of WebDocs, a cloud-based document management system that helps organizations better manage and protect their critical business documents. Bill Swezey is a pioneer in the document management field. He installed the first color production document imaging system for the State Department at the U.S. Embassy in Mexico City. He also plays guitar, works on exotic automobiles, and most recently has begun to indulge his inner thespian by appearing in several community theater productions. Comes straight out of Chad's Ford, Bill Swezey telling you why the cloud matters.
Because we're in such a beautiful venue dedicated to the arts, I've decided to give my entire presentation in prose. I hope you don't mind. Oh, wait. Hold on, Lee, hold on. Don't start it yet. Makes me look more like a laureate. All right. Hold your horses. 15 seconds is a long time when you have nothing to say. The cloud, what is the cloud? I pondered to myself out loud. When in walked my friend, you know, the one with the hat, and with his two friends, he said, I can tell you about that. You know about clouds? Indeed, yes, I do. And I think I can teach you a thing one or thing two. The cloud is not this and the cloud is not that, but just stick with me and hold on to your hat. See, the cloud is neither here nor there. In fact, the cloud is everywhere. On your iPhone, your iPad, my BlackBerry, the cloud is everywhere you want it to be. Using the internet, it's a series of tubes. The cloud moves your data directly to you. Yes, the cloud is a system. It's not just one single thing. It's a method, a process, a wump, and a ying. It includes servers, software, databases, and more. Why, the kitchen sink is thrown in, just to be sure. Wait, I said, you have a BlackBerry? Forget about that, he said, and listen to me. Now that your data exists in the cloud, it's safe and accessible. Your mother'd be proud. Use all your devices, updated and more, and sharing, that's easy. Share galore. But being the studious type that I am, I asked my friend for a definition, and then I asked him to give me some characteristics so when I encountered a wild cloud, I'd be sure to know if that cloud was real or that cloud was faux. He said, I'm not much on defining, that's my friend Webster's turf. I'm more keen on rhyming for what that is worth. But I know you can read, I mean you have all my books. So here's what you wanted, just take a look. I think I'm starting to get it, I said as I squinted my eyes and scratched at my head. A cloud is a massive system that's shared by many users and companies and locations, and where your data is safe. It's backed up 10 times. Am I getting it, Kat? He said, yes, that's fine, but there's one more difference I'd like to point out. My friend in the hat started to shout. There's public and private clouds, this you should know, and the difference is simple. It's all where you go. For public, just hop on the plain internet. But private, well, that's a whole different bet. Dramatic interlude. These are my kids. They have nothing to do with cloud computing, but they're the best, so I wanted to give them some airtime. Kylie actually just turned 6. Griffith's still 3. They're big Steelers fans, but they don't say yuns and they don't say pop. For those of you in Western Pennsylvania. So this cloud stuff is new, I said, trying to look smart. Not exactly, my friend. Let's go back to the start, to the birth of the internet and your ISP. See, they've evolved just like amoeba and protozoa. Cloud computing is growing by leaps and by bounds, but it's not just been invented. That reasoning's not sound. It's an evolutionary process like GACs or like GARs that start out like this here and end up like that there. I said, well, give me an example, something to show of an app in the cloud, one that I would know. Salesforce.com, he said rather quick. Since '99, this outfit has been rather slick. 2009 revenues were 1.3 billion, yes, with a B. and 6,000 employees is quite enough for me. But Cat, I don't use that. No, cloud isn't for me. The Cat in the Hat just laughed and said, see, you use the cloud every day of your life. You just don't know it. I know that I'm right. You Facebook, you Twitter, you buy and you sell. The cloud helps you do all of those things rather well. I had no idea, I said with a gasp. What else can I do with the cloud? Give me apps. Well, there's business and personal apps to be sure, but any app can be in the cloud. And what's more, they're very affordable and some even free. Sell your car, find a mate, see what's on TV. So the cloud industry's big. Oh yes, and getting bigger. Bigger than a 6-passenger thingamajigger. And the experts have said, and of course they're always right, that the market will explode nearly overnight. So what are the most popular enterprise apps in the cloud? I asked my chapeaued friend, and he answered out loud, here is a list of them, and as you can see, CRM, ERP, and CCC are considered the cloud computing gang of 3. Okay, you've convinced me the cloud's not going away, but why should I go there, and why should I stay? There's many good reasons to move to the cloud, but I'm not going to read each and every out loud. But the biggest reasons I routinely see are quick deployment, low cost, and scalability. So everything should move to the cloud, right? I said, feeling quite proud. Not so fast there, Mr. Brown. I know you can move, but there's a few things yet that the cloud just can't do. Tight integration and customization are two. If you need these, then maybe the cloud isn't for you, but don't let this stop you from looking at least. The cloud changes often, like East and West Beast. Oh, the places you'll go, the things that you'll see if you just leverage the cloud and be more like me. And to think that I saw it on North Market Street. Thank you.